It might be surprising to you that I'm still working on the engine build. That's primarily for two reasons. There's a couple of parts that I've been waiting on for a long time, and one of them finally got here. The big things that I've been waiting on are the Injector Dynamics 2600 injectors and the oil pan. And the oil pan finally got here today, and I have to say that it's definitely worth the wait. What I have here is the Built2Apex aluminum billet oil pan. The quality on this is just really amazing, especially when you compare it to the stamped steel stock unit. It's very heavy duty. It's baffled on the inside. And I'm gonna get it installed tonight. Now, the other part that I can finally get installed, because the oil pan will go on, are the engine mounts. Now, I've had these for a while, but these are finally going on tonight. These are the full function engineering billet aluminum mounts. These have the 95 shore rating polyurethane, which is the stiffer of the two options that they have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that all installed tonight. The oil pan comes with a stud kit, so that's the first step of getting this installed. You go through, get all the studs installed, and then we're going to take a bead of silicone. In this case, I'm going to use the Honda Bond again, and then we'll go from there. Full function engine mounts come with all the hardware that you need. If you're doing an oil pan that is thicker than stock, then you have to order the extra long bolts from them, otherwise they're a little bit too short.